Oh, you guys look so beautiful. What's the name of your group?
Tautapuna Haka Niue.
Oh, lovely.
Community group.
That's so beautiful. Where are you guys based?
Newland Community Centre.
Oh, okay.
Every Tuesday.
Nice.
Newland, do you have two or? Newland Community.
Just Newland Community, huh? Yeah. You watch it. I'm on there. I put it on YouTube. You see it on there. Nice to meet you all lovely ladies. And of course you yourself. Oh, is there? Oh, okay. I love the uniform. I love the colour.
Love the colour.
Yeah. I want to be in a group with that colour. No? Sorry, my group's over here. We're in the blue. Kalu mai te koe ka? Tuku deo a kohe video.
Thank you.
Yeah. And here's our lovely group. Hey, what? Are you sure? This is our lovely group. Oh, hi there. Just tell me about your sisi that you're wearing.
Oh, this beautiful sisi. Martha's sister made it.
My sister made that.
Lepa, she made this.
I love how, isn't it beautiful? I've never seen one like it.
No, it's her new creation.
Yep. Okay. Thank you, ladies. Well done. Now we're going to go down and see. This is an invitation from the Penina group. I might go up the front and capture them. Can I just borrow this camera? I'm just going to... Okay. Wow, that's so good. Sorry, am I blocking you? Okay. This is the Penina group from Onehunga. But they booked this place up here in Otahuhu, so this is where we are today. Today's the 10th. I'm sure it's the 10th of May, so here we are.
We dance on the word shells.
Burly shells.
And up make ocean.
Shining in the
The sun
sun.
moves across the sky.
Woo!
This is all to
Go,
them.
ladies!
When I see them, hand to the eyes, and I'm in.
More than all those little
and
birds
cup, cup, cup. Sweep across at waist. Blow kisses.
Choo-hoo! Going in.
Make stars and hook you round. 2, 3, 4. And this is like the beginning of the dance. The ocean. Sun moves across the sky. This is all to the bend. When I see them. And
More than
get ready for the tag. Repeat that last song. Curly cup, cup, third cup.
Oh, mama cards at the fully high. Woohoo! Nice. Beautiful. And that is the Penina group performance.